Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how to wash your beauty sponges and your makeup brushes. This is how I have been doing since a very long time now. It's a very effective method and you don't have to spend a lot of money as well. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before we start, I just want to tell you one thing, that please wash your brushes and your makeup sponges, because they tend to accumulate a lot of bacteria if you keep the brushes and your sponges for a really long time in foundation or eyeshadows and you keep using them on your face. You will probably get a lot of allergic reaction, pimples, acne issues. So make sure that you wash your tools. I have said that in my hair care video as well. If you have not watched it, go give it a watch. In my hair care routine, I also told you guys that you have to keep washing the brushes, like hair brushes and your hair ties, all of that. Whatever tools you use on your face or hair, you have to keep cleaning them. So first, let's talk about the sponges. These are the clean sponges. Oh my god, I love when I wash my sponges, and I have to give that to myself, that I always make sure कि मैं regularly brushes और sponges को wash करूँ. इतना wash करती हूँ that my mom asks me that कितनी मेरा brushes धुला रहा है. First, what I like to do is that soak them in hot water, like really hot water. What it does is that whatever the foundation is like stuck or dry in your sponges, it will just loosen it up, so it's easy to get rid of the foundation when you wash it. So in the hot water, I like to mix a little bit of Dettol and a little bit of baby shampoo. You can also use any face wash if you don't have a baby shampoo, and all of this will like come under say 200 rupees, because Dettol का इतना cost नहीं होता है, also the face wash or whatever baby shampoo you use. So yeah, it's very inexpensive as I said. So I just like to soak them for an hour or so. Like all the sponges, I soak them in hot water, like the concoction that we have made. Now because we have put Dettol in the concoction, it will make sure that there is no bacteria in your sponges. Okay, let's move on to the next step, and that is actually washing your sponges. Now this is a technique that I have learned recently and it's working wonders. So what I like to do is that take a soap, and I like to prefer Dettol soap. So I take that soap and then start rubbing the sponges on the soap while it has the water, and then you have to squeeze out the water which is there inside the soap. As you guys can see in the clip, the foundation is coming off, and just keep repeating this step. After you think that the foundation and the blush and everything is out of the sponge, you have to hold it under water to make sure that you have gotten rid of almost all the soap. It's practically impossible to get rid of all the soap because the sponge also holds a lot of water, and then you're left with a clean sponge as good as new. Let's move on to the brushes. Now this is like a very weird thing which I am doing, which I am loving and I'm very proud of, and I don't think a lot of people, like any YouTuber, must have told you this. So before the lockdown started, I threw this like brush cleaner that you get. I had gotten it from Amazon. It was like a small brush egg which you use to clean your brushes, and I threw it because it was very old and I was like, I will buy a new one. And lockdown started again, I could not buy a new one, and I was really stuck. I was like, what should I do? I have to clean my brushes because I shoot videos almost every alternate day. But then I remembered that I had this face wash from Wow. So this is the apple cider vinegar foaming face wash. Now when they sent this to me, honestly, the brush, like the bristles that they have, I was not a fan of it because I thought they are very harsh on your skin. So I never gave this a try on my face. This was just there in my cupboard unused, and then it struck me like a lightning that I can use this to wash my brushes. First, when I thought about this, I was like, Manasi, you're crazy, this is not gonna work. But this works wonders, you guys, and this is there with me ever since the lockdown began. So that is almost 1.5 to 2 months. Now this thing comes for 400 rupees, and I know it's 100 rupees more than the budget that I have mentioned, but to be very honest, this lasts you for a really long time. So rather than investing in the brush egg differently than the soap and everything, you can probably give this a try. It works wonders. So you just have to press the pump over here and the face wash comes out, and we have already soaked our brushes in the concoction that we made. So the brushes are sort of sanitized anyway, and then you start rubbing it on this rubber head and your brushes are clean. After I'm done with washing my brushes and my sponges, I like to take out the water with a clean towel, and then I keep them in a plate and put it in the sunlight. There are very rare times when I have to dry my brushes with a hair dryer, when I am in a hurry and my brushes are wet, but that happens very rarely. I like to wash my brushes subah ya dopahr ko, and then I keep it in the sunlight, and raat ko my brushes are ready to go to film the next day. Also, no offense to people who really like this thing to use as an actual face wash, no offense, but honestly I did not see myself using this, so and rather than wasting the product, I was like, let's use it for something else. Okay guys, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I know video was very short, but I honestly want to make videos which are really useful for you guys, so just get up and start cleaning your makeup tools. I hope this video encouraged you for doing so, and let me know what other videos you want me to do, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye guys, welcome. Sponges. Now